So in this video I will tell you how to solve this error. So like for example, when I click on edit code, I see this error. So this error can also occur on any other page in Shopify. So in this video we will see how to fix this error. So it's very simple to fix this error. So first of all, you will have to open another browser. So like if you are using Chrome browser, so here you can see as I am using Chrome browser, so I will use Edge in this video. You can also use any other browser that you have installed, or you can install any other browser. So here you can see I have opened Edge and I have logged into my store and I have opened the same window. So here I will go to this option and I will click on edit code. So you can go to the page where you are facing this error. So we can click on edit code. So here you can see that this page is loaded successfully on Edge browser, but it is not loading on Chrome browser. So here you can see when I refresh, I see same error on Chrome browser. So this page is loading on Edge but not on Chrome. So why is this happening? So this is because of your browser cookies. So to fix this error, you need to go to this three dot button and you can go to settings and here search for cookie, and here you can see clear browsing data, and here you can clear the cached images and files and the cookies. So once you will do that, your error will be solved. You can click on clear data, and if there is still any issue, you can clear all time data and then it will be fixed. But this will clear the cookies and the cache of all the websites that you use on your laptop or PC. So that's how you can solve this error on Shopify. Let me know if you have any further questions. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos.